Hi guys, I just want to let you know that nobody is born with confidence. Nobody is born a superstar or an actor or a singer or whatever. Like you get confidence as you grow. You do things that make you feel confident. I had this thought today because I posted a bunch of dance reels on my spam account, which is public, and also my main account, a dance reel on my main account. When I was looking at it, when I was making it, I was anxious a little bit still, okay? Then I posted one video, then two videos, then three videos. Then I was free a little bit. Then I posted on main. Main wali is still awkward. But after the main one that I posted on spam, ek do bari aur, that was like open masti. Like मैं अपने steps भी ला रहा था उसमें या जो भी है. So I was just scrolling and like looking at my own videos, and I thought about it. I was like, if you go back in time 1 year ago, if you talk to me 1 year ago, I think I would like puke and cry and like have like a mini heart attack, like seeing a video public online doing a dance routine or whatever, like a dance trend. I don't know what, I would feel so anxious. Like I already feel anxious thinking about what I would feel like. I would feel so anxious looking at it because first of all, I was like public posting publicly would be insane to me. Second of all, I had a little bit of body dysmorphia back then, so wearing a crop top and showing a little bit of my tummy in that video would just throw me off. Like I would crash out on that. And third of all, dancing. I have not danced since so long, and I've been icked out with dance, not because of dance, just a lot of things happened in life which made me not be a dancer. I wanted to do DID, man. I had dreams. If you would have asked the second grader me, they wanted to be a dancer, man. It's fine, we'll discuss that some other day. But yeah, मतलब जिंदगी ने मुझसे छीन लिया था dance. क्या no, it's not cringe, it's fine. Yeah, so I had not danced, and then dancing, recording, posting it publicly, then posting it on big things. These are big things that probably, like, obviously people looking at my reels would be like, हाँ चल नाच दिया. It's such a big thing for me that, like, I don't know, I can't even imagine. Like, I don't know, how am I doing this? This is awesome, great. Like, I feel posting that made me feel more confident. You know what I mean? Like, I was like, maybe I could do some other dance trend. Like, I've not done dance trends ever, I think, on my page, and this was the first time. I like this dance. So I was like, wow, I can do this. Like, I have it in me. Like, I thought I could never. Like, 1 year ago, I think even if you offered money to me to do that publicly, I would not do that. And I love money. So I was like, bro, what? I'm doing this for fun. Crazy. So yeah, things change, circumstances change, your feelings towards something change. You grow and you build up confidence. Like me speaking to a camera or like posting it on YouTube, this was not there 1 year ago. If it was, I would have done this 1 year ago. I would have done this 2 years ago. It took a lot of time. It took a lot of energy. It took a lot of effort to be this person, to be somebody who just posts on social media, on Instagram or whatever. So it's okay if you don't have the confidence right now, but you have to try new things. You have to do things to get better at them. You can't just be like, oh, I can't, I don't want to do that, because that's not me. That's outside my comfort zone. But why are we in a comfort zone in the first place? Why are we boxing ourselves? Why are we like, okay, ये नहीं करना है try, ये नहीं करना है. क्यों नहीं करना है यार? ट्राई करके देखो, अच्छा नहीं लगा, मस्ती नहीं हुई तो मत करना. अगर मेरे को वो फर्स्ट वीडियो अगर डाल के मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता अपने स्पैम पे, फिर मैं और 10 वीडियो नहीं डालता, और फिर मैं मेन पे भी शायद नहीं डांस करता. शायद मैंने स्पैम पे पहले इसलिए डाला बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ टू डू इट ऑन माई मेन अकाउंट फर्स्ट. But then I got the confidence because I did it 5-6 times, and then I was like, it's fine, even if it's not that good. It's fine to be not that good on what? It's fine to be not that good on. It's okay to be not that good at everything. Yes, that's what I wanted to say. It's fine. If it's fine to be mediocre. It's fine to be even average. I don't know. Be whatever. Who is judging you? Who is rating? अच्छा Sabrina ने इतना अच्छा किया था, तूने बेकार. Nobody's comparing me to Sabrina. Nobody's comparing me to anyone. And even if somebody is, I don't care. If you're comparing me to somebody, I don't care about you. And you shouldn't also compare yourself to each other. Comparison is the worst thing you can do to yourself, honestly. It's a form of self-harm. Don't do that. Don't do that. And like, um, yeah, sorry, yeah, comparison, as I said on Instagram, not I, somebody also said it before, obviously, but comparison is a thief of joy. It really is, because it kills you. My god, imagine like if I am talking to someone and this person has 1 million followers, and I'm like, they have like good reach, okay, they have like 1 million views per video, and I'm like, bro, fucking, I'm so behind, I'm so bad at this, why I only have 200k views. Bitch, look at your followers and look at their followers. They have 1 million followers. Of course they have good reach, better reach than you, because they have better amount of followers than you, and they have, even if it's not about followers, they have done this for 3 years. You just started 3 months ago. They have been here for 3 years. Of course they have learned what things work for them or whatever. Like, yeah, you can't compare yourself to people, because everybody has their own journey. भाई सब अलग level पे चल रहे हैं, सब अलग standard में, और तुम same standard में भी हो. For example, if you are in the same college, same class, same group, same age, सब कुछ same है, then also you shouldn't compare, because brain तो लगे ना, everybody has a different brain and everybody has a different personality, different way things work out for them. They have different situations, they have different households where they have been from. सब कुछ different होता है. You can't compare yourself to anyone in this world. No one is the exact. Your sibling, even your sibling, like real sibling, is not just like you, even though they have been in the same surrounding also, but they are not, because everybody is different. Everybody will have their own experiences, everybody will have their own lives and live their lives in a certain way. Just because somebody is doing better than you doesn't mean they're actually doing better than you. You just think like that because your brain makes you feel like shit constantly. Your brain is constantly against you. Constantly. You need to fight that inner voice that makes you feel like shit and compares you to everyone. Like, shut the fuck up. Tell it to shut the fuck up sometimes. Sorry, I got mad. But yeah, man, who cares? Just do the thing and stop thinking about others. In a comparison way, and also कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे. कौन सोच रहा है भाई? कौन सोच रहा है? दिखाओ ये कौन से लोग हैं? किसको मार रहा है मुझे थप्पड़? But कोई नहीं सोच रहा है. कान बंद कर लिया करो. कोई भी बकवास बोले, do this. That's all. That is all you can do. So yeah, I don't know. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Please. Don't prove I'm right. Prove I'm right. So that I believe that everybody watching this subscribes. So prove me right. Okay, bye.